Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to solve some problems from previous question papers, Group Theory 1. Let us start the topic. Our first question is G is equal to curly bracketed EABC and this is star is defined in this table. We have to show that group G with respect to this composition star is a group. In order to prove that G is a group, let us verify the following group axioms. First of all, closure axiom. Here A star B is equal to C belongs to G. B star C is equal to B star C is equal to A. B star C is equal to A belongs to G. C star A is equal to B belongs to G, etc. So the closure axiom is verified. So here, if we take any two elements and with the composition star given, the product A star B, B star C, C star A likewise belongs to G. So the closure axiom is satisfied. Then associative axiom. Here A star B star C is equal to A star B star C is equal to A. B star C is equal to A. So now A star A, from the table we can write A star A is equal to A. And A star B star C. Now A star B is C, C star C. C star C is equal to A. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C is equal to etc. So the associative axiom is very fine. So here A star B star C is equal to E, A star B star C is equal to E. So the associative axiom is verified. Now identity axiom. Identity axiom. Here E star A. E star A is equal to A. E star B. E star B is equal to B. E star C. E star C is equal to C. So E acts as the identity element. Then inverse axiom. Here A star A is equal to E. A star A is equal to E implies inverse of A is A. B star B is equal to E implies inverse of B is B. And a C star C is equal to E implies inverse of C is C. Hence, the inverse axiom is verified. So, G is a group. Here G is equal to curly bracket E, A, B, C. Star is a composition defined in this table. We have to show that G star is a group. In order to show G is a group, we have to verify the following group axioms. We have verified closure axiom, associative axiom, identity axiom, and an inverse axiom, by which we can say G with respect to the composition star is a group. So our first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Our next question is, if G is a group, prove that inverse of A inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Given A belongs to G, then A inverse belongs to G by inverse axiom. Inverse axiom. Now A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to E. Here A inverse belongs to G. Then A inverse of A inverse is equal to inverse of A inverse into A inverse is equal to equation 2. Now A is equal to A into E is equal to A into A inverse of A inverse by equation 2. This is equals to A inverse of A inverse by associative axiom. This is equal to E into inverse of A inverse by equation 1. This is equal to inverse of A inverse by identity axiom. Hence, inverse of A inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G group. So the question is, if a GJ group prove that inverse of A inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Given A belongs to G, then inverse belongs to G by inverse axiom. So here A is any element. Now by inverse axiom, A into A inverse is equal to inverse A inverse into A is equal to A. Again A inverse belongs to G. So A inverse into inverse of A inverse is equal to inverse of A inverse into A inverse is equal to A. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. Now starting with A into E can be replaced by this value by equation 2, A inverse of A inverse. Now we use associative axiom. Now A into A inverse can be written as E by equation 1, so which gives inverse of A inverse by identity axiom. Therefore, we get inverse of A inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G. So with this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.